What are the function of communication? Yeah. Communication means to share. Communication is the process of exchanging messages, ideas, facts, opinions, or even feelings. Communication is the mechanism of transferring meaningful information from one person to another. Poor communication is probably the most frequently cited source of team and interpersonal conflicts. Individuals spend nearly 70% of their waking times or hours communicating. Either they are writing, reading, speaking, or even listening. Communication plays a vital role in any type of organization. Perfect communication occurs when a thoughts or ideas can be transmitted so that the receiver perceives exactly the same mental picture or the same message, understand the same message as the sender. Perfect communication can never be achieved due to various reasons, which later on we will discuss later. In this lecture, we will try to understand the function of communication. Communication serves for make several functions within a group or organization, and this include to control, to motivate, uh, to express emotional expression, uh, to persuade, to exchange ideas, yeah, give feedback, yeah. So when we talk about these functions, I would like to touch on controls, yeah. One of the function is to control. When employees communicate any job-related grievances or feedback to their bosses, they will actually use communication to follow or to understand their job description or to comply with direction or policies. So communication is a tool for control for managers or for leaders. Motivation is communication also is used to increase motivation. It fosters communication by clarifying to the employees what they must do, how well they are doing it, and how they can improve performance. Yeah. So the formation of specific goals, feedback or performance review on progress towards specific objective, and of course, to communicate reward for achievement of the desired level. This will all stimulate motivation, and this require good communication within the team. Communication is also used for emotional expression. So when we talk about communication, it is one of the fundamental mechanism or tools by which the member of the group can show their satisfaction and frustration. In view of this, communication therefore provide for emotional expression of feelings and fulfillment of social needs. Communication is also used to provide information to individuals and groups for them to be able to make decisions by understanding the transmitted data that is needed or required to identify and to evaluate options and choices. By doing this, communication helps us to facilitate decision making. So communication is very important for the team or for the organization to be, I would say, successful and be able to achieve their objective as required by the organization.